doing?
What are you watching?
Watching.
What are you watching on TV?
Hmm?
Who's on TV? Who's up there?
What?
Who's on TV?
Dora.
And who? Boots?
Boots.
And Swiper? What's Swiper say?
Oh, man.
Oh man. Can you say love you?
Mario.
What's your name?
Daya.
Yeah. Where's your elbow?
Elbow.
Where's your wrist? That's your armpit. Where's your wrist?
Here.
That's armpit. Where's your knee?
Whee.
Yeah. Ouch. Where's your toes? Toes. Where's your ear? Yeah. Where's your tongue? Where's your teeth? Yeah. Where's your eye? There it is. Where's your pretty hair? Yeah. You're so smart. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hit the button.